Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alecia and I am so happy that you are here today. Today we are going to be doing a few postures to help us move and clear stuck emotions. So when you're ready, come down to your mat and we'll begin our Kundalini yoga in easy pose. Bringing your hands into Anjali Mudra at the heart, tuck chin to chest. Take a few breaths to land. We're going to tune in with the Adi mantra, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the divine wisdom within. Kundalini yoga is a devotional practice to yourself, to your body, to your mind, and to your soul. Take a nice deep breath in to begin. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Relaxing your hands down, keeping your focus within. And setting the intention to become aware of the subtlety of your energy. Our Kundalini yoga helps us to tune our body, mind, and soul to a higher frequency so that we can experience more joy, bliss, abundance, peace, happiness in our lives. Let's begin by bringing our hands, clasping them together, flipping the palms out, and we'll sync movement with breath by inhaling, lifting our arms up, exhale, dropping them down. You can close down your eyes, focus your gaze on your third eye. Last time, inhale up, flip palms together, stretch, reach. Take a nice deep breath in, and we'll take it over for a side bend over to the right, keeping both sits bones on the ground. Pulling your thumbs back, opening through the chest. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale up through center, over to the other side. Inhale back through center. We're going to come up on our knees, keeping our hands lifted. Come into a kneeling position. Get a pillow if you need to pad the knees. Send your index finger pointed up. A left thumb covers the right. Send your arms up, up, up. We're going to begin Sat Kriya. Inhale, pull the belly in, chant Sat. Exhale, allow the belly to release, chant Nam as you send the energy out through your third eye. We're elevating the denser energies of the lower three chakras, This is where these denser emotions get stuck, and we can elevate out of them by using our body, by using our technique, our intention. All right, let's go. Sat, Nam, 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 Sat, Nam. Inhale, squeeze Mula Bandha. This means you're squeezing your glutes, squeezing your core, giving yourself a big inner bear hug, channeling your energy all the way up and out through the index fingers, connecting with the cosmos, elevating your energy, expanding your awareness. And exhale slowly, release your hands, allow them to melt down. Likely your arms feel sensitive. I invite you to use your awareness to truly relax your shoulders down. Feel into the energy as it drains down your arms and out through your hands. We'll take our fingertips left to right and allow that energy to spill down into the earth. Take a nice deep breath in to lengthen. And exhale, relax into your energy, into your body. Next, we're going to come through tabletop and then up into a downward facing dog. We're bringing your wrists underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hip points. Tuck the toes, send the hips up and back. Find your downward dog, maybe pedaling out the feet, lifting the hips nice and high, relaxing the head. If breath of fire is in your practice, please join me for a breath of fire. It's a panting breath through the nose while pumping our belly. Closing down your eyes, focusing on your third eye space. Deep breath in, long sigh out. Floating into stillness here for 2 more deep breaths. Coming down to your knees, making your way into an easy pose. We'll end with a meditation for clearing dense emotions. Bringing all 5 fingertips together and bringing your hands in front of the heart. Relax your shoulders down. Gently tuck your chin to your chest and gaze into the space between your fingers. We're going to inhale to a count of 4. We're going to inhale to a count of 5, hold for 5, and exhale for 5. All right? So here we go. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. And I'll let you count for yourself. Final round. Collapse your hands down into Anjali Mudra at the heart, tuck chin to chest. We close our Kundalini yoga practice with the mantra Satnam. It means truth is my essence. Deep breath in to chant. Satnam. Satnam, beautiful being of light, of love. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I do hope that this practice has helped to shift the energy. I really do hope you are feeling more elevated. So thank you. If it's your first time here, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, let me know how you're doing. I would love to hear from you. If you would like more support with your yoga journey, I will leave different offerings in the description below. Thank you again so much for being here. I do hope this practice has helped you on your way. All right, bye.